Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use OpenAI with Zapier. To use OpenAI with Zapier, start by heading over to the Open.ai official website. Log in with your account or create a new one. If you don't have an account, you can use your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account to sign up. After you sign up, you will be taken to the homepage. From there, click on the gear icon on the left side to open settings. Then select API keys. Here you can create a new secret key. Add the name Zapier test to your key and create the secret key option. Copy the link of the key you just created. Next, go to the Zapier homepage and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Select Applications from the menu on the left and search for OpenAI.com. Click on Connect and wait a few seconds. In the first box, paste the link of the API key you created on the OpenAI page, then click the Continue button. After a few seconds, OpenAI will be connected to Zapier. Now you can start using OpenAI with Zapier by adding prompts to your searches. That is all there is to it. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.